So I've often said the best way to figure out what your species-specific diet is to look to nature and say, oh, okay, so 99% of animals in the world eat 100% raw foods. Okay, let me change that. 100% of animals that aren't humans eat 100% raw food lifestyle. I mean, you could maybe take away cats and dogs because we feed them, etc. But generally speaking, every single animal in nature eats 100% raw foods. Now, without the use of fire, you can't eat starches. Without the use of fire, most people are disgusted by the end result of meat. Raw animal flesh. Some people will say, oh no, but sushi, etc. Sushi, most people, first of all, most people don't enjoy the process of how animals get to their plate. A lot of vegan activism is literally just showing people what happens and then that turns them off. Whereas for your species-specific diet, for you to be able to be turned off meat by watching the process of how it gets to your plate, that's a bit of a red flag in terms of determining what your species-specific diet, because every species on the planet is attracted to their species-specific diet. So we have a camp of people in the plant-based world saying, no, human beings are starchivores. But the thing is, you can't eat starches without fire. So if starches came after fire, that means it can't be a biological design, because a biological design means without external factors like fire, just like every other species on the planet, you should be able to eat. With a starch-based diet, that's not the case. You need fire to be able to live a starch-based lifestyle. So what is our species-specific diet? It's very simple. It's a diet based on fruits and vegetables, just like we have been living for millions of years. See, human beings, we are frugivores. So fruit is the only food that we can all universally agree that everybody loves. Fruit doesn't require fire. Fruit is a simple carbohydrate. And as we can see, complex carbohydrate have fueled... Complex carbohydrates have fueled civilizations for thousands of years. And all complex carbohydrates are complex versions of fruit. Both carbohydrates, one's simple for the body, one's complex. So what is our species-specific diet? It's very simple. It's a fruit-based, frugivorous lifestyle with lots of fruits and lots of vegetables in there. And after we mastered fire, we started to be able to eat plants that we're not biologically adapted to. And we started eating more animal products because we could tolerate it now, because we can cook the meat and all these different things, even though most people are disgusted by the process, which doesn't make any sense. So that's my take. What are your thoughts? Peace, love, veganism. I'm out.